coming forward then?
Taylor James Smith. Jovita Denise James. Nicole Fry.
That's her on the left, right? No. That's her class on the left. See, who are these guys?
Right now, they put on one. I bet that's her in the line over there.
I know. I was just wondering, who are all these guys coming up the center? See, they're blending in, see?
I bet you that's the music.
All right, I'm just going to keep it going, then you can edit, you know what I mean? Human science. Isn't that where she is?
Where the thing indent? Is she the one waving right there? Right there. Here. Standing up against the bleachers. Waving like that. Retarded wave. Hey. See? She's doing the bird. She's doing the bird. She's doing the bird. Do it. I can't see her. She's where it indents like this.
Right, yeah.
She is the girl right in front of the paper wave on the floor.
Okay.
See the bird? See the bird? She's doing the bird.
Do you see her? I don't see her, but like I said, it's okay.
She has her hands together like this. See the lady where the lady is moving the apples? She just did Christine. She's right at the indent right now. She's messing with her thing.
No, she's over there in the indent. I can't help you. I can't help you. I can't see her. I'm just being told by her.
She's in the middle of the indent right now.
The walkway?
Yeah,
What's
against the bleachers. The indent.
The bleachers all on the side.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She's doing the parrot.
I see her now, okay. And the sad part about it is, Jennifer, I just had my eyes done. I think they're worse. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, these are brand new. Like I say, you're going to have to edit it and fix it, but I mean, I think I moved okay.
Corner.
Okay, I've got her on the corner. You see where she is? Yeah. Oh, there she's got her back to you now. I think she's underneath the tree now, but I mean, I'm trying to go around. Well, I'm trying to do it slow, but I may have messed up a little bit. You'll be able to edit it, right? Right, the bald guy. Yeah, I see her hair.
And Rebecca Marissa Bacon, Camilla Natalie Ann Steele, Jessica Grace Frank, Magnet Club, Jessica Lynn Rockwell, Cassandra Marie Ramirez, Christine Renee Grant, Caitlin Aaron Reinhardt, Angelina Denise Robertson White, Gabriela Alexandra Roquillo, Ashley Diane Ross, Jeff Ian O'Neill, Brandon G. Rosenberg, Virginia Ellen Rowe, Christy Nicole Marcel,
Okay, Jennifer, when should I stop? Maybe she'll turn around. Maybe we'll get lucky she'll turn around. Nope, she'll turn around. She's walking off.
Robert Shearer, Christopher Joseph Carvalho, J.A. Dalmillo, Hawaii, Nicholas Michael Storm, Amanda Louise Sweat, Richard K. Swope, Andrea Thomas, Catherine B. Thomas, Morgan Alexandra Nordall.
Just sat down. You want me to go ahead and turn it off now, Jennifer?